every year on Sunday night, and we have an annual employee event. Really a good time to bring employees from all around the country together to be able to mingle the people that you talk to on the phone or share emails with every day. Ultimately, we culminate the night with a raffle, one that we know our own employees are going to win and be able to celebrate in. So hopefully tonight someone will win 2 round-trip tickets anywhere in the United States.
Next, we've got $200 of Amazon gift cards.
I could use that.
Hopefully there's an Oz. 607-183.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I'm one off.
607-183. So now we have 2 round-trip tickets for 2.
Was that my number you called?
Where's the loop?
Inside the U.S. All right.
You act like you're surprised.
2, 4, 7, 8, 7, 3.